I've invited my mother, who's currently visiting us, to try something she's never tried before.
Wow.
So first she's gonna try this natural specialty, and then we're going to taste test 4 different vegan frozen foods, because my mom is actually living a vegan vegetarian lifestyle. I enjoy a lot of those dishes, but we never really got into the frozen vegan world, so we're gonna do that today. Are you nervous?
A little.
A little bit. We're gonna
Let's
go
try.
and do the do and then see you back here. And we're back. How are you feeling?
Nothing really. I'm just same as myself before.
That's right. You tell them. First up is Amy's samosa wrap.
Say it again.
First up, Amy's vegan samosa wrap. Look at that. This is tofu, I believe. Cheers. Oreo's vegan too.
It's good.
Is it tasty though?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Delicious.
They're chickpeas, I guess.
Sorry, the flavor finally hit me after the heat rock.
One more. Chickpeas and potato.
The flavor of the spices is very earthy. Very, very warming.
Wow. I can finish all this. The only thing is, it's not as crispy as the one store-bought. The fresh one.
It's not supposed to be a samosa. It's a samosa wrap.
How you feeling, Mom?
It's
Everything
feeling
good?
Oh,
Everything okay.
Yeah, nothing at all?
Nothing at all. It's still the same as I was before.
as we enjoy your first treat, you will get your first answer. Question that I need an answer to. So first question, Mom. What were your preconceptions about this natural item before trying it today?
Well, I think it makes someone like floating in the air. And I don't feel it. I don't feel it.
If it's just giving you a floaty feeling, then is that something, or is that a reason why you haven't tried it? Is it something so bad?
Not really, because according to people, it gives them something like different feeling, and I'm feeling it now. I was looking for that feeling and I cannot find it.
Oh, that is.
You're too high to an interview. So I guess what you mean.
That is so deep. Think about it.
Yeah, but the thing is, the misconception that it makes everybody feel the same way, when in reality it depends on your level of tolerance and what you are used to. That's what you experience.
Yeah, so, because I was thinking it make me feel different. Something that will makes me so floating and something. And
but is that bad to feel?
No.
So what scared you into?
No, because there are so many things that is saying this is a bad thing to do, bad thing to have it. I don't feel any different in me.
Good.
I just felt the first time, I feel like maybe I'm tipsy or what, but after a few seconds or a minute, don't feel anything else. They should not do that. It's not good for you. That's what I've been hearing. I never tried it. And this time
You've never tried anything like this before?
No.
Now she's trying this for the first time, and it's very interesting to see how she reacts. That is the purpose of this video. I put potato in my forehead.
The purpose of the video
is really good.
It's for your mind to see what you turn into.
What? Okay, next item. Our meatballs made from eggplant. We love eggplant. I didn't even mean to set that up, but it just came out and I couldn't stop it. Okay, let's try it. Let's cut through it. Oh, very good texture. Wow. Very bouncy, has some resistance. Let's smell it. It looks like meat.
It smells like it too.
It's good.
Texturally, I was worried, but
much more if you have the sauce, the dipping sauce.
It's actually really delicious. Would be much better incorporated into a sauce.
Or with the spaghetti sauce.
Or you can
on top of the spaghetti.
Yeah. I like it. All right, second question. How do you feel right now?
Right now, before a few seconds or a few minutes ago, when I walk, I like, it's not stable. Now, I'm standing here, I don't feel nothing. Really.
What do you think?
Do you do?
I think she's just really relaxed, but she has no idea.
I think your mom is always a relaxed state then.
I'm always relaxed.
That's in mine.
Maybe yes. But I like this.
No, she's high.
Third one is roasted cauliflower mac and cheese. Smells really good. This is made with brown rice pasta and cauliflower cheese.
It feels like so chewy. The macaroni.
Yeah, it's brown rice pasta. There's no gluten in it to make it.
Oh, okay. But I like the cheese. It tastes like cheese. Like, you know, those cheese that smells. Yeah, it smells it.
No?
It's a cheese. The white one that smells, you know.
No, it looks and tastes really much like creamy
Aged cheese.
The texture's not so great, but the flavor's there.
Yeah. So you don't lose anything. You're eating a mac and cheese.
It feels homemade too. Good job. Third question. You have arthritis, right? You're wearing these compression gloves. If it's the case that people really do feel better with their ailments of all sorts, do you think it should be legalized?
Why not? It's an herb. I go for it. I'm an herbal person. If it can heal someone, whether it's whatever they feel, pain, or it can relieve the body, why not? I go for it. I can highly recommend it.
This is great.
And the mac and cheese too.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
What?
What if we combine the meatball and this?
Why not?
Let's try it.
Mix it up. I only go for mac and cheese without the meatballs.
Last but not least, dessert.
Angel's New York Cheesecake. Wow.
Hey. Oh. Very sweet.
Like a real cheesecake. The taste, the texture.
Your eyes, both of your eyes went like this when you.
That is delicious.
It's delicious.
Wow. I'm impressed. The texture's great. The crumb on the bottom is kind of like a cookie.
Highly recommended.
Last question. Now that you have used it, how do you feel about me using it?
I have no objection. Because what I feel when I use it, after I use it, it's not really bad.
You like to drink red wine sometimes?
I drink red wine sometimes. Occasionally, when there is like dinner or lunch with guests, just a little size of this.
Just a little bit.
This one, this high, with the wine bottle, glass. I feel tipsy right away. Finishing that. But this one, I don't really feel a little bit like when I walk.
But you don't feel groggy.
The first few minutes, and it went away. Right now, I can eat the whole cheesecake.
The munchies.
I know myself.
Like you can function.
You know, you can function, do things, I walk, and
Way more than Jen, that's for sure.
you say, Nanay. Sabi, huwag mong baguhin, anak. Huwag mong baguhin. Dito ka. Today is Halloween. Jennifer will go for trick or treat.
Yay! Mother-daughter bonding.
Yep. We can finish now the cheesecake?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
My cheesecake.